In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to activate FPL Wildcard. Let's get started. Launch your Fantasy Premier League app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the Fantasy tab, then click on the option Transfers. Start swapping players in and out of your squad. As soon as you go past your free transfer limit, you will see red numbers like -4 or -8. Look below your squad where chips are listed. Tap Play Wildcard. You'll see the points deductions disappear, meaning now all the transfers this game week are free. Finalize your new squad. Hit Confirm Transfers to log them in. Once confirmed, the wildcard is active and can't be undone. You get 2 wildcards per season, one in the first half, one in the second. Once you hit confirm, the chip is used up. You can't take it back. You can keep making unlimited changes until the next deadline once the wildcard is active. And that's it. This is how you can easily activate FPL Wildcard. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.